Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a culinary sanctuary of clean lines and natural warmth, the white and wood minimalist kitchen. This design philosophy prioritizes functionality and uncluttered beauty, creating a space that's both stylish and efficient for whipping up your favorite meals. Airy and open feel, crisp white cabinets, the foundation of the space. White cabinets with clean lines reflect light and create a sense of spaciousness, even in compact kitchens. Opt for flat panel or shaker-style cabinets for a modern minimalist look. Light wood countertops. Balance the white cabinets with butcher block countertops or light-colored wood laminates. This adds a touch of warmth and natural texture, while complementing the clean lines of the cabinetry. Functionality at the forefront, smart storage solutions, built-in cabinets, pull-out drawers, and hidden storage compartments ensure everything has a designated place, minimizing clutter and maximizing functionality. Integrated appliances. For a seamless look, consider built-in appliances like ovens, microwaves, and dishwashers. This reinforces the clean lines and minimalist aesthetic. Minimalist touches, sleek hardware, ditch ornate knobs and pulls. Opt for sleek, minimalist hardware in brushed nickel, chrome, or black to complement the overall design. Under cabinet lighting, task lighting is essential for meal preparation. Install energy-efficient LED under cabinet lighting to illuminate countertops and eliminate shadows. Warming accents, optional, woven textures. Introduce warmth and visual interest with woven elements like placemats, a runner rug, or basket storage solutions. Greenery, optional, a touch of life. Place herbs in small pots on the windowsill, or a strategically placed houseplant can add a pop of color and a connection to nature. Overall feel, the white and wood minimalist kitchen is an ode to clean lines, functionality, and a calming atmosphere. Here are some additional elements to consider. Open shelving, optional, showcase your favorite dishes or cookbooks with open shelving. Opt for a minimalist design with clean lines and avoid cluttering the shelves. Breakfast bar, optional if space allows, incorporate a breakfast bar with sleek stools. This creates a casual dining area that complements the minimalist aesthetic. By incorporating these elements, you can create a white and wood minimalist kitchen that is both beautiful and functional, a perfect space to inspire your culinary creations. There are numerous reasons to consider a white and wood minimalist design for your kitchen. Here's a breakdown of the key benefits: aesthetics and ambience. Timeless elegance. The combination of white and wood offers a timeless and elegant aesthetic that never goes out of style. It creates a clean and bright kitchen that feels sophisticated and inviting. Enhanced sense of space. White cabinets beautifully reflect light, making your kitchen feel more spacious and airy. This is especially beneficial for smaller kitchens where maximizing the feeling of openness is crucial. Calming and uncluttered. The minimalist approach with clean lines and uncluttered surfaces promotes a sense of calm and peace. This can be especially desirable in a busy household. Functionality and efficiency. Focus on usability. Minimalist design prioritizes function over clutter. This translates to a kitchen that is efficient to use and easy to clean. With ample hidden storage and well-designated spaces for everything, you'll spend less time searching for tools and ingredients. Improved workflow. Smart storage solutions and clear walkways create a smooth workflow, allowing you to move around the kitchen effortlessly while cooking. Additional advantages: versatility and personalization. While minimalist, the white and wood base offers a versatile canvas. You can personalize the space with pops of color through accessories like throw rugs, dishware, or artwork. Easy maintenance. White cabinets and light wood countertops are generally easy to maintain. Spills and stains are more visible, prompting quick cleaning, which can help prevent grime buildup in the long run. Potential increase in property value. A well-designed minimalist kitchen can add significant value to your property, particularly for buyers seeking a modern and stylish look. Overall, A white and wood minimalist kitchen offers a perfect blend of aesthetics, functionality, and practicality. It creates a calming and elegant space that's easy to maintain and allows you to personalize it with your unique style. Here's a roadmap to embark on your white and wood minimalist kitchen journey. 1. Define your minimalist style and needs, subtle nuances of minimalism, explore options within minimalism. Scandinavian minimalism leans towards light wood tones and woven textures, while Japanese minimalism favors dark wood accents and clean lines. Prioritize function, think about how you use your kitchen. Do you need ample storage for appliances? Prioritize countertop space for baking. Understanding your needs ensures the design is functional for you. 2. Declutter and measure, clear the canvas, declutter ruthlessly. Donate, sell, or store items you no longer use. This frees up space and helps visualize the minimalist layout. Accurate measurements, measure your kitchen meticulously. This is crucial for planning cabinet placement, appliance integration, and ensuring smooth traffic flow. 3. Planning the layout, traffic flow is key. Sketch a basic layout prioritizing clear walkways and designated zones for food prep, cooking, and cleaning. Appliance placement, plan the placement of major appliances like the refrigerator, stove, and oven for optimal functionality. Consider ergonomic principles for ease of use during food preparation. 4. Choosing materials and finishes, cabinetry. Select white cabinets with clean lines and a flat panel or shaker style for a modern minimalist look. Consider high quality, durable materials that will last for years. Countertops, opt for light wood countertops like butcher block or light colored wood laminates. These complement the white cabinets and add a touch of warmth. Quartz countertops offer a similar look with increased durability and lower maintenance. Hardware, ditch ornate pulls and knobs. Choose sleek, minimalist hardware in brushed nickel, chrome, or black to complement the overall design. 5. Storage solutions, maximize every inch, go beyond basic cabinets. Explore built-in organizers, pull-out drawers, and hidden storage solutions to maximize every inch of space and keep clutter at bay. Open shelving, optional if you have beautiful dishes or cookbooks you want to showcase. Incorporate open shelving with a minimalist design. Be mindful of not cluttering the shelves. 6. Lighting design, natural light matters. Take advantage of natural light by keeping windows uncluttered and using sheer curtains. Layered lighting, create a well-lit and inviting space with layered lighting. Include recessed lighting for overall illumination, under cabinet lighting for task lighting on countertops. And pendant lights, with simple designs, for added visual interest over a breakfast bar, if you have one. 7. Warming accents, optional, woven textures. Introduce warmth and visual interest with woven elements like placemats, a runner rug, or basket storage solutions. Pops of color, optional. A touch of color can add personality. Consider colorful dishware, a statement vase, or artwork in calming tones. Remember, personalize it. While minimalism emphasizes clean lines, you can incorporate your personality through unique lighting fixtures, a statement planter, or a special display shelf. Order samples. See how materials like cabinet finishes and countertops interact in your lighting before committing. Enjoy the process. Creating a minimalist kitchen should be about creating a space that inspires you to cook and spend time in. Bonus tip: consider incorporating a built-in window seat with storage underneath. This maximizes space, provides a cozy nook for casual meals, and complements the clean lines of the minimalist design. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.